How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you all how to identify one of my favorite types of bounces, what I look for, what I try to stay away from. But before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. For this example, we're looking at one of my favorite stocks to day trade, which is Walmart, ticker WMT. I like to pull up the hourly time frame, roughly an hour, hour and a half before market opens. You don't want to do it too early or the day before because this level only confirms during the pre-market, ideally within an hour of market open. First off, I like to come take a look at the different setups. One rule, you have to be above that level pre-market. This has to be identified on the hourly time frame as well. You have to identify where that 20 EMA is. As you can see here on Walmart, it's at 150.7. Okay, this is called the 20 EMA bounce on the hourly time frame. One thing I really like to see line up with this is nice area of confluence, as you see here. I even pulled up the daily chart, and this is an area of support there as well. So three things working in our favor. That's ideal for any type of trade, whether bounces, rejects, breakout trades. Three things confirming a trade is worth the risk to me if you have room to move. I'm looking for Walmart to pull back to this bounce area at 150.7 to pick up call options because I expect to bounce upwards. So I'm going to be making money on the way up here. I like to keep my trades simple. Walmart really respects this 20 EMA bounce. If it hasn't touched that level pre-market or been that close to it, you don't want to be that close to it pre-market. I've noticed that it takes away from the initial bounce. And just be sure you're always aware of when news and stuff is going to drop when you're entering any trade, because even if you have A plus set up on a bounce, it can turn around really quickly on you and cost you money. Now, a question I get often is, what do you do when your levels don't confirm? What if it doesn't hit your level? And that's just part of it. You cannot always predict what the market's going to do. I feel what keeps a lot of people constantly making money in the stock market is trading levels only and trying not to have too big of a bias going into the trading day. It really helps me just creating these key levels. I put in the time learning how to identify them. I've back tested these strategies. I've traded these strategies live inside Team Bull, where I call my trades out live. Would love to have you all join us there. I'll leave the link in the description for you. But if you have any questions about this type of bounce, feel free to reach out to me. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.